Elkay's ezH2O bottle filling station is quick, clean, and green. The ezH2O is easy to install and easy to maintain in education, healthcare, fitness, hospitality, and corporate environments.
Hi, I'm Nick Nanos, Product Manager for Elkay Commercial Drinking Fountains and Water Coolers. Now that you've installed your ezH2O, let's go over maintenance. In this brief video overview, we'll go over several key areas for properly maintaining your ezH2O. For specific details and questions, contact your Elkay technical representative.
As in all public environments, continuous cleaning is an important aspect of maintaining your ezH2O. We recommend you use a soft cloth along with a mild dishwashing soap to spray and wipe down the unit. Let's move on to changing your bottle filling station's filter. When the filter status light on your unit shows red, the Water Sentry Plus filter is ready to be changed. Begin by unscrewing and removing the bottom access panel. Next, unplug the unit. Unscrew the old filter, then install your new Elkay Water Sentry Plus. No need to turn off the water. Each ezH2O comes with Elkay's new Water Sentry Plus for your easy water cooler. This 3,000-gallon capacity filter removes unpleasant taste and odor, as well as reduces lead. Once you've installed the new filter, the filter status control light needs to be reset back to green. You'll find resetting instructions in your ezH2O installation guide. Begin by removing the top cover, pressing the black reset button, and holding for about 2 seconds. You will see different settings scroll across the LCD screen. Select Reset Filter. Press the button once again to confirm filter reset. The filter status control light becomes green when correctly reset. Lastly, we're ready to focus on cleaning the flexible fill mat. Remove the 4 screws. Then, using a mild dishwashing soap or standard household cleaner, spray and wipe down with a clean towel. Then reassemble and replace the 4 screws. To always keep your unit properly maintained, we recommend a routine cleaning of your ezH2O. Elkay is committed to keeping the entire ezH2O maintenance process as easy as possible for you and your staff. Discover the professional's choice and add this environmentally responsible product to your facility today. To contact your Elkay technical service representative, call us at 800-260-6640 or email svtechservice@elkay.com. Elkay's ezH2O bottle filling station. Quick, clean, and green.